Hi, here is the Nikon FA overall conditions. Okay, and here is the battery compartment. Okay. And it using 2 LR44 battery. Same, you need to let the positive face up as here got show. Then just lock it. Okay. Oops. And this camera is an electronic shutter camera, so you need to use the battery to operate it. And okay, by push here this button, then only you can pull the rewind knob up and pull up again to open the back cover. Yeah. Then here's the film. Put it down and push it down. Make sure it's fully down like that. Yeah. Then the film tip is into this hole. Okay. Yeah, like that. And wind it. Close it. How to make sure whether you have loaded properly? When you wind, look at here. Wait, yeah, it will move together, which means that you have loaded properly. Okay, and this camera has 4 modes. This is program mode, where the camera will adjust the shutter speed and the aperture for you. Then all the way you just adjust the focus will do. Yeah. Then, but if you want to use the program mode or the shutter priority mode, you need to put the aperture f at the smaller one, f16. Yeah. Then only look into the viewfinder. Yeah. You'll see at when you half press, the up there will show you the current shutter speed. If it's like low light, yeah, then it will be slower. Okay. Then here is to adjust the ISO by pulling here out and turn it like that. Just now the flip is 400, so I just put it at 400. Then you want to switch the mode, you just adjust at here. This is shutter priority mode, which you adjust the shutter speed and it select the aperture for you. Yeah, you see, change accordingly to the light source and the shutter speed. Okay, and the maximum is 1/4000. Then the next one is the aperture priority, which you adjust the aperture, then the camera will select the shutter speed for it. Okay, and the last one is the manual mode. Then you can adjust by yourself, and you can look in, you half press and you will look that there's a minus, which means that you might need to increase or decrease the shutter speed because the current environment is not allowed. Yeah, like that means that's correct setting. Then only you shoot it. And overall it's like this, and this one is the double exposure button. You wind it and you push it down and you wind. You see here it doesn't move together, which you can experience like double exposure or triple exposure. Yeah. And when you should finish, press the seal button at the bottom here and flip here up and rewind it until it loose, which means that it's okay. Then open it and take your film to develop. And this camera also got a setting at here. This one is designed for like long exposure. Yeah. Then only they need to cover it to like avoid the light leak lah. Yeah. Okay. Then overall it's like this. Yeah, and the timer at here. So you just press and you will counting down. Okay. Yeah. And when you want to take out the lens, press this button and twist it. Will do. Yeah. The black dot mix with the white dot, then turn it. Will do. And here's the overall setting. Hope you enjoy it.